welcome to Eliza Jane. Today we're making twice baked potatoes. Let's get cooking. So we are going to use a fork to stab holes in the potatoes. Yeah. Both sides. You want to wash your potatoes really good before cooking them and poking holes. Be careful to not stab yourself. I haven't filmed in a while, so yeah. The last video was the puppy chow, which was crazy. I'll leave a link to right there or right there. I don't remember. Next step is we are going to be rolling our potatoes into tin foil. So you set a potato right here, you roll it. Oh shoot, the oil! Uh-oh. I totally forgot we need to put oil on these. Oops. Okay, I think I'm gonna put it on foil. Using the potato just made around. Do not roll potato. I just said do not roll. There, got you the potato. We're not getting away this time. Okay, we're back. And now I got another potato. Let's put this one. Smear it. You want to make sure the foil is wrapped really tight. Second one done. This one's oily, I feel like. So I'm going to add as much oil as best. And now, rub it, rub it, rub it. There we go. Now we need to put them in the oven. I don't remember how long I treated that for. 425, yes. So let's put these in. Oh, that's kind of work. Two more little potatoes. Try to aim it into the oven. It went back there. Okay, so I think we just need to cook them and then they'll be ready. We'll be back. Quick update, we cooked them for 45 minutes. We're going down cool for 20. Be careful, they are hot. We'll be back in 20 minutes. Bye, we're back. The next step is to cut the potatoes in half. Need a poke. Be careful with the knife, guys, it's sharp. Done. Oops. Okay. Let's not do it that way. That's better. You just want to scoop out the middles. That's also what I can do. I think I'm doing good so far. Just make Take 4. Now it's time to make the cheesy, creamy filling. Let's get started. So we have all our potatoes. We are going to need sprinkled cheese, or you can shred block cheese, cream cheese, yes, so sour cream, a scoop. Are you coming off? Okay. Milk. Be super careful with the milk. I think we need a little bit more sour cream. Okay. I don't know how this is going to mix. All the milk sunk to the bottom. I need someone to help me. Look at that. Yeah. I need help. I'm gonna go ask someone for help. Let's start skipping it in. This isn't working. I might need a fork or something. Yeah, I'm gonna need a fork. I'll just use my fingers for now. Let's get in. They look like boats. Mash it down in the middle. A little more. Let's put that bunch in that. Now, let's put a little bit more on that one. Okay, that is good. So we piled the potatoes up high. I would say my mom piled the potatoes up high. I need help with these potatoes. But teamwork makes the dream work. Now, you don't have to add spices, but I think we should add some. I think we should add some garlic, onion powder, and Italian seasoning.
Honey, that's parsley.
Oh, I need parsley.
Do you want Italian seasoning?
No. Onion. I don't want to add this anymore. Oops. Time to add the cheese. Now the cheese is not staying on. More. Oh, you need cheese. You need more cheese. Oh, you need more cheese. More cheese. I need more. More cheese. I'm gonna get more cheese.
No, you're done.
No.
Yes.
We're gonna clean this up so we can pop it in the oven. Oh my gosh, guys, these smell so good. Oh my gosh, these smell so cheesy and good. Well, here's what they look like. So cheesy. Be sure to comment, subscribe, and like. And if you make this, show me the pictures. That's it for Cooking with Eliza. Thanks for watching. Bye. So good. That's good. Yeah, but they're still hot. We should add bacon to these guys. So, let's get some bacon cooking.
Okay.
So guys, we decided to add bacon on some of these. Yum. I'm gonna go with the bacon. He's looking at me. Yeah. I'm gonna go check this away. I want some. I want to try it. Kill me. I think that's good.
Think so? You just wanted to eat it.